I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shehwar Javed, and the topic I am here to discuss is poverty in Pakistan and how it is increasing day by day. Poverty is the lack of human needs such as nutrition, healthcare, and education of inability to afford them. Another explanation for poverty is that when the income of a person is so low that he cannot afford its basic needs. According to International Labour Organization, poverty is a situation where a person is unable to fulfill its basic needs. In Pakistan, about 40% of the people are living their life in poverty, and the ratio of poverty is increasing day by day. According to the International Labour Organization, poverty is a situation where a person is unable to fulfill its basic needs. In Pakistan, about 40% of the people are living their life in poverty, and this percentage is increasing day by day. In Pakistan, the ratio of import is more than the export, as due to which more and more people are living their life miserable. In Pakistan, there are many reasons for a person to live a miserable life in poverty, as most of the people have no education and they cannot afford to get education in Pakistan, which is becoming the main cause of poverty in Pakistan.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farooq Azam. As the Shehwar Javed discussed about the introduction of poverty, now I will discuss the causes of poverty in Pakistan. There are many causes of poverty in Pakistan. Now I will discuss about some causes which are present in Pakistan. The first one is inconsistent government policy. The policies of government are based on the suggestions of officials which do not have awareness about the problem of a common man. And if after the implementation of the policies and do not get effective result, then the government does not accept its failure and announces another policy without studying the aftermath of last one. And one of the main reasons of poverty in Pakistan is overpopulation, which is a very big factor of poverty in Pakistan. Now you can see here the poverty is increasing day by day. The growth rate of Pakistan is very high. With limited resources, it's very difficult to control the growing population. The massively increasing population has almost outstripped the resources in production, facilities, and in job opportunities. Now I will discuss another reason of poverty in Pakistan, that is unemployment. It is a big factor of poverty in Pakistan. Pakistan is poorly faced with the problem of unemployment. The existing unemployment rate is 15%. Thousands of young doctors, engineers, and other educated people are out of job. There are no opportunities for youth to utilize their capabilities or abilities in right direction. Thank you so much.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
My name is Jawad Shabir. As my fellow discuss about the causes of poverty in Pakistan, and now I will talk about effects of poverty in Pakistan. First of all, diseases are widely spread because poor people cannot afford hygienic food and pure drinking water, which is much expensive. Poor families experience much stress than middle class families, besides financial uncertainty and bad luck, including illness, depression, jobless, and criminal victimization. They have bad health because they don't afford doctor fees. And after that, due to poverty, crime rate is also increasing, like theft, violence, and drug abuse. Homelessness and extreme poverty carries with it a particularly strong act of risk for families, especially children, homeless children are less likely to receive proper nutrition and immunization. They experience more health problems. Homeless families experience even greater life stress than other families, including increased family relationship and friendship. Many people do not have job and children work instead of attending schools. These are the effects that I discussed of poverty in Pakistan. And now, next, my friend will discuss about the solutions that how will we overcome on the poverty in Pakistan. That's all. Thank you. As you can see on my bag, these persons don't have enough expenses to get well educated. Therefore, we will talk with them in their own language. So now come. ਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਜਾਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦੌਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਮਸਾਇਲ ਦਰਪੇਸ਼ ਆ?
ਭਾਈ ਨੇ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਬੜੇ ਡਾਊਨ ਹੋਏ ਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੀ ਗਏ ਲਾਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ। ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਸਾਡੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੋਂ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੀ, ਪੂਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਗਏ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਚੁੱਕਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਰੋਟੀ ਦੇ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ। ਸਾਡੇ ਬੜੇ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਡਾਊਨ ਹੋਏ ਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਏ। ਬੰਦੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਬੜੀ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲਾਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ, ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਚੁੱਕ ਕੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ।
ਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਜਾਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਹੁਕੂਮਤ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵਾ ਇਸ
भाई
ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ?
हुकूमत को ये करना चाहिए, परसों दिन हमारा बंदा फौत होया, किसी ने मदद नहीं करी, ठीक है ना। एक अल्लाह को कोई वसीला आया, उसने 4-5 हज़ार रुपया दिया था, तो बच्चों के लिए रोटी लेके आए थे, ठीक है। उसके बाद में खैर फरूद के लिए कोई पैसे नहीं, कोई मदद नहीं, हर किसी से 100-100 200 इकट्ठा करके तो हमने बंदा दफनाया। कब्र भी हमारे को मिल की दे रहे हैं लाहौर के अंदर, ठीक है। हमारी कोई मदद नहीं कर रहा था, ये कोई अल्लाह का ऐसा सकी आया था जिसने 10 हज़ार रुपया दे के तो कब्र अल्लाह का घर बनवा के बंदा बीच में दफनाया। दफना के बाद में घर आए, उनके घर 1 रुपया दिन नहीं था रोटी के लिए। मैंने सारों से 100 इकट्ठा करके अल्लाह के रास्ते पे उनको दूध दे के खुआ के उनके घर लेके आया हूँ। ये सबाब मैंने इकट्ठा, हमारा जो हुकूमत है ना, जो हमारा
So here, these people tell us their problems. We are also negligent in this issue. We should pay zakat to these people so they can fulfill their needs. That's all. अब आप बता सकते हैं कि आप कि हुकूमत क्या करी इस मामले में, या आप
भाई
क्या
हुकूमत
लोगों
क्या
को करना
करेगी?
चाहिए?
आप 4-5 भाई आए हैं, आप हमारी मदद करके जा रहे हैं, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, ठीक है ना। रैत में जो आपने हिस्सा दिया 4 बंदों ने, आपकी बहुत बड़ी मेहरबानी है, ठीक है। आप हमारे लिए भाई बन के रहे हैं, ठीक है। हमारा भी कोई नहीं है सवाल अल्लाह से, यार आप ही आए हैं हमारे बनकर भाई, ठीक है। आप हमारे भाई हैं, आपकी बहुत बहुत बड़ी मेहरबानी जो आप हमारी मदद कर रहे हैं,
बहुत बहुत
ठीक है ना।
शुक्रिया।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Bilal Sharif. I want to tell you about the issue of poverty in Pakistan. Poverty entails more than the lack of income and productive sources to ensure sustainable livelihood. Its manifestation include hunger and malnutrition, limited access to education and other basic sources, social discrimination and exclusion, as well as the lack of participation in decision making. The three main issues of poverty in Pakistan is growth of population, uneducation and imbalanced taxes. The main reason of growth of population is imbalance between the rate of birth and death. The population of Pakistan is 208.57 million, in which 20 million is homeless. About 35% of the total population of Pakistan is living in poverty. The problem of tax in Pakistan has been chronic, being one of the main reasons of poverty. People do not pay tax. Low tax morale, tax evaluation and high compliance cost have been few major challenges for FBR capacity to generate sufficient revenue for the government. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamad Ayub. As my fellows already discussed about effects and causes of poverty, and now it will be discussed about the solution to overcome the poverty. Economic growth is key to eradicate poverty by introducing policies regarding economic growth and reducing of poverty. Employment opportunities must let furnished by initiate the economic activity with for greater donor dependence and reliance on funding for structural adjustment and stabilization from IMF and the World Bank. Benazir Income Support Program is an example to reduce the poverty of the people. But it would not eradicate poverty, rather it is an income support program for lessening the poverty of the poor people Pakistan. It is therefore suggested that the government should launch such program in the country. The government should try to provide security and protection to the job-going women so that more women be passionized to contribute their share in the national economy of the country. Thank you so much.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow